Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new vlog for today. So here it goes guys, and we've got some right over here unboxing a new Nintendo Switch accessories right from Temu, right? It is also this is a controller, a Joycon controller for Nintendo Switch. So let's gonna unbox it. I bought this from Temu and it just arrived the other day, right? Okay, let's go gonna open this up. Okay, let's go gonna open this up. So the 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 delivery for this is USPS. So let's go gonna open this up. Okay, here it goes, and here it goes, number one US. Oh, okay, I didn't see that. Okay, here it goes, and we've got some right over here wireless joypad, right? So let's go gonna open this up. Okay, so here it goes, and then I'm gonna have to take this box. Okay, and then here it goes. Let's go gonna check this controller right over here. So we've got right here is the features, and also as you can see, turbo mode, double vibration, wireless connection, motion sensor, and a macro button. Features ergonomics in long time playing, support burst function and burst killer function, equipped with a motor, a strong vibration mode. Okay, we got right here is also macro interrupt functions, programmable macro, can record button, combination and interval time. Turbo provides 5 shots to make it easy to play arcade or action game. Okay, so okay, Funlab. Okay, okay, Funlab. So let's go gonna check out some specs right over here. So here is the specs for this one, right? And then also got right here, and then here is the pair and connect first time. So from the home menu, select controller, then change grip in order, joint pairing, power the system first. Okay, and then reconnection if the controller has been paired with the SW console ever before. So after the LED lights flash for a few seconds, the chips will automatically connect to the console. So okay, let's go gonna open this up right over here, and then let's go see inside. Whoa, nice. Okay, I love the color. I love the color. Okay, so let's go check it out. So okay, so this is the controller. Oh, nice. Okay, perfect. And then also XYBA are good. Okay, button right over here are good, and also we got some turbo mode and macro mode right over here, another one right here. Okay, and then we've got also the d-pad are good, so quiet, right? It's so quiet. So and then we got some the L and ZL, the shoulder and trigger button are perfect. And then what is this? Okay, okay, and then we got some right over here, so you can play just like, that, right? You can play just like that. So okay, so gonna have to change check also. Okay, I forgot. So okay, okay, there's good charger for this one, separate charger for this one right over here. Oh, nice. Okay, love that. So let's go gonna check the what's in here, and also we've got the charger right over here. So as you can see, two USB type C, right? So two USB type C and one USB A. So you have to charge it, you don't have to charge it separately, you have to charge it by the two. It's because there's only one USB A for it, right? So as you can see, and then also we've got some user guide. Oh, just a thick user guide on how to use it, right? Okay, okay, so that's for the box, right? So I'm gonna have to take this off, and then just head over to the Nintendo Switch. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna have to take this off, and then gonna get over to my Nintendo Switch right over here. So let's go, gonna take this off first. Okay, I'm gonna have to take this off. Okay, okay, here it goes, and this is the, right over here. So, and then right over here, so have to take this one right also over here, and then I wonder if this can be fit right here, right? Oh, it can be fit. It can be fit. Oh my god. Or seriously? It's connecting. There you go. Yeah, it's, it's lighting it up, but it's not, right? So okay, so I'm gonna have to leave it like that. So okay, I'm gonna have to take it off. Okay, so I'm gonna have to take that off. Okay, there it goes. Gonna have to take that off, and then let's go, gonna get over to this one right over here. So I believe this is one right over here. Okay, and then also right over also here. Okay, okay, sorry. Okay, and then here it goes, and then let's go, gonna turn it on, right? Nice. Oh, I love it. Okay, I love it, I love it. Nice, perfect, I love it. This one, I love it. So let's go, gonna try some, okay. Oh, perfect. Oh, it's so smooth. All right, it's so smooth. This is so smooth. Okay, I didn't expect this one. I didn't expect this. So this is so smooth. Huh? This is so smooth, guys. Whoa, I love it. Okay. Whoa, okay. Perfect. I love this. It's so smooth. This better than the original Joycon, right? And also I feel better. Feel actually my right hand is having a numb, so it's because I have a carpal tunnel. So I think it's not doesn't affect of my gaming, right? So this is good. This is right. This is good so much. I really like this. Okay, I really like this. Wow. Okay, didn't expect this to be like this one, right? So this is okay. So the XYBA is so good. This is kind of different from this one, right? It's because this one right here is okay. Hmm. This one right here is circle, but right and right here is, but this one right here are all square, right? New. This is new. This is new to me, right? This is new to me, so this is a good one also for gaming, right? And it's also, this is a good game. This is a good. This is so smooth. I really like this one. I really like this one. I really like this. So okay, so my first impression for this one is, yes, I'm gonna give it a 10 over 10, right? So I'm gonna give it a 10 over 10. Whoa, awesome. I love it. Nice. Okay, perfect. I love, and also I love the combination of the color, right? A turquoise in a purple, right? A turquoise in a purple, right? So I really like this. Okay, so I'm gonna try playing this. I'm gonna try playing this with Pokemon Unite if it is feel good, right? So okay, so I think this is for the unboxing and also my first impression. So I hope you like it, and please don't forget, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay, and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned for more. I will be back gameplays here in my channel soon. Okay, since when I get a new laptop, right? Okay, so it's because my laptop is not working anymore, so This is a no edited video for today, so this is gonna be straight to upload here in my channel. So okay, so stay tuned for more. Is because I'm gonna give you some good stuff, right? And also cheap, and also some cheap gaming accessories for Nintendo Switch in any gaming console, right? From Temu or in Amazon. Okay, so stay tuned and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.